Hey there YouTube, Far North Racing here. So this is just going to be a quick raw video, no real production values. I've got this thing working. Today I put in a limit switch so it can automatically find home. And we're just going to do a quick cut to show this works. Using a camera that's a little bit better than the handheld camera that I used yesterday for the Holy Shit at Work video. So all we're going to do is this is going to come in, let's make a facing cut. It's going to come down and make a 1-inch wide cut, pull out and stop. So let's try it and see what happens. There we go. Could have gone a little deeper. In any case, we have got ourselves a CNC lathe. Just needs a little bit more tuning. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.